Hi kids, how are you? I hope you're all fine at home. Today I'm going to teach you EVS. Uh, in that subject, first lesson already I finished explaining living and non-living things. So now I'm going to give you the notes. Already I have given some hard words, so this you can follow this. When I explained first day, I given this. So maybe you are written. Once again I'll explain. Write the living and non-living things. Hard words. Environment. ENVIRONE. Sorry. Environment spelling. ENVIRONMENT. Environment. Mountain. 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 Natural. 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 River. 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 Plants. 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 Stone. 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 Living. 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 Non-living. NONLIVING. Non-living. Animals. 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 People. 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 Birds. 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 Things. 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 Pencils. 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 Breathe. 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 Again, this is the second main. List the living things and non-living things. So you can write this living things and non-living things, which are that animals, birds, plants, human beings. Non-living things: ball, river, air, book, hill, pen, sun, bun, etc. Next one, this one already you written in last class. This is the third main multiple choice questions. You did this. Now I am going to give you the fourth main. What is the fourth main? Put a tick for the sentence which one is true, or a cross for the it is a false. Which one is false, you can put the cross, and which is the correct one, true one, you can tick it. Non-living things do not have life. True or false? It's a true. Why? Because living things have life, but the non-living things, it's no need food, it's no need water, it cannot grow. So that means they don't have the life. Then second one, plants breathe through small holes in their leaves. Plants breathe through small holes in their leaves. So that is the true. You know that when I am explaining, so plants, we are breathing from the nose. Again, fish can breathe from their gills, but the plants, they breathe through their small holes in the leaves. Then third one continues. Third one, a kitten grows into a dog. So this two times I given. Okay. Here don't want, or this one cancel. To also correct. A kitten grows into a dog. Wrong. What? A kitten when it grows, it become like a cat. Is it right? Then fourth one, plants prepare their own food. Yes, by using sunlight, water, then air. Using these three ingredients, plants prepare their own food and even giving to us also. A rat escapes into nearest hole when it hears the footstep. Yes, even a rat, some small animals, when you go there, it will run. Is it no? Yes. Animals and human beings die, but plants live forever. Wrong. It's not permanent. Even at least 200 years, 300 years, 1,000 after 1,000 years, it can dies. Even plants and trees also. That means all the living beings can die. Again, fifth main, fill in the blanks. What? Animals, birds, plants, and human beings are all dash things, living or non-living? Living things. We need dash to breathe. Water or air? Air. Fish breathe through their gills or nose? Gills. Fishes move with their fins or gills. From the gills, it can breathe. From the fins, it can swim or moves. The leaves of the dash plant closed down when we touched. So, one of the plant is there. When we touch any one leaf, it can close down. Whole plant can close down. Which one that? Touch me not plant. So enough this much. Still remain two mains are there. Three mains are there. I'll give into the next class. You can complete from up to year completed. You can write from year fourth main and fifth main. You can complete it, and you can learn this. Don't write simply. You can learn this, children. Bye.